Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make multiple copies of a document using an Epson printer model L3110. All right guys, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is place the document on the printer. Then we close the lid and move to the control panel. Now we press the copy button as many times as the number of copies we want to make. For example, if we want to make 3 copies, we press the copy button 3 times. In this case, I selected the green button, which is the color copy option. If you need to make black and white copies, simply press the white button the number of times you need. For example, if you need 4 copies, press the copy button 4 times. As you can see, guys, the process is very simple. Here you can see the 3 color copies that I made using the control panel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you in the next video.